All right, Rob Frazier here. Just wanted to do an update for everyone who's joined me in many different programs, going back and forth. And this right here is the plan: how to make money in 2025, how to retire, how to essentially not have to do this kind of stuff anymore. Basically, spent 12 years in the Marine Corps, got out, been beat up by life. I've made multiple six figures online through affiliate marketing. I've had some ups, I had some downs, been through it all. And everything I'm sharing right here is just, in my opinion, because there's other ways of doing business, but in my opinion, one of the easiest, quickest ways to get into making money from your laptop, but also using affiliate marketing as a stepping stone. This is not the catch-all, end-all. This isn't a full-on retirement plan, even though I'm teaching a retirement plan with affiliate marketing. My goal is to basically help teach and empower other people to learn how to leverage the internet, leverage affiliate marketing, leverage AI to create more income in your life and to really live a for real laptop lifestyle. And when I say laptop lifestyle, what does that look like for me? That looks like making money in affiliate marketing, making money in trading, and then also working for different companies remotely using the tech skills that I'm learning in affiliate marketing. So basically working with companies, helping them in AI. I'm actually learning data analytics, data science. I'm learning IT, information technology, different skills, how to build computers and things like that. And using my affiliate marketing commissions to help fund my certificates so I can go work for companies remotely on my own terms. So it's multifaceted. That's a big $10 word. Basically, just many different areas. And the whole end goal is to use the laptop and to be time and location independent, like not have to go clock in somewhere. But as long as I got a laptop, internet, I'm straight. And that's my goal for you as well. So if you're watching, if you want to join me in this journey, I'd love to work with you. So way back in the beginning, I made a video. I was young in the game. I said, you need a business, you need a marketing system, you need a traffic source. Those things have not changed until today. I mean, they still, business, marketing system, traffic source. I would also add a mentor, an active mentor, an actual mentor that you can email, text, call, and actually get a response from. Because without one of those, this is going to be a hard journey. Trust me, I've been there. So basically, the things I want to share with you is basically the plan, hanging my hat, I don't care. And we might add in a few other little programs here and there, but it's all chunked under three things: business, marketing system, traffic source. I can line my fingers up with the camera there. So this right here is the marketing system. Marketing system is Leads Leap, juiced up with some AI implementation. I've been using Leads Leap since I started online way back in 2011. Been getting paid in Power Lead System, which is the parent company, or Priceless Possibilities, Power Lead System, Lead Lightning, all the same thing. They basically added a whole AI bot person entity, whatever, to follow up with everyone who joins through your Lead Lightning link. And also, you can use this very same platform to instantly, no share codes needed, no domains you have to buy, no anything crazy, no crazy technical setup. As soon as you get your Lead Lightning account, you could take one of your primary businesses, in my case, plug it into your Lead Lightning back office, and immediately have a sales funnel. Now, I say that because the second piece, I said earlier, having a mentor certainly helps. Digital growth community, that's like my number one instant cash strategy business that I'm recommending out there. Digital growth community, I've been kind of looking at it off and on, but there's so many people, even just here, ended July, $6,600, $900 today, 8 potential customers, woke up to a $900 sale. I like the structure. I like the mentoring here. For me, I hated social media until I actually went through this training here, and Michelle O'Neill, the lady who runs it, is always doing little 30-day challenges, 90-day challenges, different things to help get you making money as quickly as possible. And it's an instant cash strategy. Uh, it will set you up for eventually setting up and running your own business, like your own business, not just doing affiliate marketing type stuff. So that's the second piece. Also, one of my gripes towards digital growth community is the setup, because they say no technical skills needed. You do need some technical skills, unless you go my route I'm suggesting with Lead Lightning, because you get Lead Lightning, you automatically have the sales funnel, you automatically have the domain, you automatically have the email follow-up series, which is actually really decent now that they went back and updated it. And this right here is an example of that. You instantly get all of this right out the gate. Plus, when people become a Lead Lightning buyer, AI will text them, give them phone calls, follow up with them, and actually bring them into the fold. And it's very simple. All you do is you take your digital growth community link right here. After you get the share code and follow the instructions, it takes 2 seconds, this step. Not set up, I mean, System IO is okay. I'm not trying to take shots, but I had some issues with setting up the email and setting up the domain and verifying your professional email and all this. All of that's really, really technical stuff, and I'm a technical person. However, Lead Lightning, you get it, you buy it, you take your link from Digital Growth Community, put it in the back office, and in 5 seconds, it's done. You have a sales funnel ready to go. You don't have to worry about it. So that's my thing. Lead Lightning, Digital Growth Community, and the third part is my quote-unquote, we'll call it the 2-hour work day, which is kind of what Michelle says. She says she teaches people to master a 2-hour workday. But in my case, I'm taking what she's doing and just kind of amplifying it just a little bit. My 2-hour workday, basically, we have this sales funnel set up through Leads Leap, and there's a particular reason why I set it up this way. When people come in, they opt in, they get the Lead Lightning. The second step is the Digital Growth Community, 1 and 2. You get that set up, and then you learn how to run this 2-hour workday strategy, which is what I'm going to be sharing with you. And that consists of Second Splash, Lead Sleep, my daily income goal, which will have an ability to create faceless videos, faceless content, and endless traffic. This endless traffic basically incorporates Infinity Traffic Boost and my crypto retirement plan. Everything is here. It's really, I know I'm dropping a lot in this video. This video is more so for folks who've been with me for a while, who kind of know my plan, know my thinking. But all this is designed to help people get traffic. Period. 100%. End of story. And the whole idea is to feed all of this traffic, all of these programs, everything to this capture page right here. They come in, they join Lead Lightning. You get AI following up on your behalf. People join you in Digital Growth Community. Boom, you got 1 and 2 combo. Now all you need to do is add in the 2-hour workday, which is where Leads Leap, Second Splash, Infinity Traffic Boost, all of these things are designed to give your whole system here traffic. And the last piece, probably the most important, is our crypto retirement plan. Basically, get sales closers sending you Bitcoin. But that's only on the back end. Once you actually plug into the traffic, we have a very specific plan, very solid. We got a back end hidden money maker that runs 100% on its own. You really just have to feed that system traffic. You don't even have to talk to people, call people, follow up with people, and then wake up to Bitcoin landing in your account through a company called Taz V7. And then the last piece is basically that crypto retirement plan, Taz V7 and iCoin Pro. I know I threw out a lot. This is kind of like an advanced video, but it's all in a line, all in a row. Get in where you fit in. The first part is get that Lead Lightning. Add in the Digital Growth Community as the social media mentoring, and just go. I mean, that is it. I send 100% traffic to that. Nothing crazy, nothing complicated. The autoresponder works. Very simple, straightforward. Been getting paid daily from virtually every single one of these companies for a while now, and I want to help you do the same. Name's Rob Frazier. Link is in the description. Stay tuned for more and more content, and I got some other things coming too. This is basically how I'm integrating AI basically into my own life, how I created this whole system, how I'm making money with it, how I'm using commissions from here to study, to break into tech, the whole deal. It's not just stopping at affiliate marketing. So if you're also following my channel, I'm going to be getting in a lot more other content as well. Yeah, so that being said, wrapping it up. See you in the next one. Information is below. I would love to work with you. This is the plan. I hang in my hat. I don't care what else is out there. And there's a few other little programs I want to talk about, but everything else is really just like traffic programs, traffic, ways to get traffic, ways to post stuff on social media without having to post it. The whole idea is to leverage AI to make your life better, because life is already rough enough. We all go through bull crap. There's all sorts of stuff happening politically here, there, everywhere. AI is not going anywhere. Very valuable skill to learn. Put in your back pocket, get a laptop, and hit the road. We'll see you in the next video. Peace!